How are you? Hope you are doing well. I am Shivam Vatshayan. I am project developer. So let's start this project. So this project name is Live Chatbot, or you can say AI Chatbot. So we will see in this video how to implement this project and how and understand this project. You can say explanation of this live chatbot is provided in this video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel. I will post one video every week for students all around the world. It will be easy to understand different types of project and get ideas on it. So let me start this project. So what is chatbot? So chatbot is a smart application that reduces human work and helps an organization to solve basic query of customer. I will take an example and I will tell you that how like food delivery system of food delivery application that uses chatbot. How in India there is one food delivery system that very famous. Its name is Zomato and Swiggy. But I will give an example of Zomato. What it happens? Suppose that you order something, then you want to cancel. So they will be written that chat. So when you click on that, it will ask you some option that track wallet, call to restaurant. Third, there will be talk to executive. Then fourth, cancel or misplace order. This type of option you will get. And after that, please give us rating or please contact this. Please wait for this. What are those? Those are early feedback by the system to handle many customer at early stage. See what happen, every like food delivery system, medical chatbot means like different system which uses the chatbot. So they must be having lots of customer and they want to handle a by AI system or through their website. See what happen if suppose that one company get 1 lakh of user question, or like some they want to know something about that how to do it, or you can say if they have some problem and they want some help. So not every customer will go and see their user manual, or you can say help center and read all those queries. So it's easy if someone interact with that, so customer can trust upon it and they can find easy to use. So that's why many companies are using chatbot. Now as we are computer science engineer, every year there is some new version, some new domain. But in 5 to 6 years there is only one machine learning and intelligence, artificial intelligence, and third is blockchain. So in machine learning or AI, there is chatbot has been growing so much, and chatbot is implementing now everywhere, social media, website, everywhere, because it is easing and making UI look good, and it is handling many customer at early stages. Now let's see the next slide of this, why we need, and or you can say what are the benefit of this project. There are lots of benefit of this project. First is cost and time effective, second is cheap development cost, third human resource, then fourth business branding. And what are the names of chatbot? See there are different name, you can say virtual assistant, live agent, AI chatbot, mechanical chatbot, machine learning chatbot, user understanding chatbot, customer service assistant. As like company want, they keep the names of chatbot. Now what are different types of chatbot? Rule based chatbot, self learning chatbot. See I will not go deep into it now, I will directly go to implementation and show you that what it is and how it is doing. See first I want to show what real algorithm we are using in this. We got to know that we are using machine learning, we got to know we are using application of AI. Now what algorithm, which one we are using? So we are using here, let me show you, NLP. Now what is this NLP? NLP full form is natural language processing, or you can say it is a field of study that focus on interaction between human language and computer. Now like what human language, what is like sentences, like word, like English, like formation of word, and language, and that is interacting with what laptop, computer, mobile phone, and when this both interact and it make easy, then it is language, natural language processing, or NLP. Now what libraries we are using to make it work? We are using NLTK. What is NLTK? NLTK is natural language toolkit. Okay, so it is set of libraries on from Python that make it easy for implementation of NLP, natural language processing. Now come to the main part, how to implement this project. So we have used Google Colab. So you will just go and search Google Colab and you will click on the first link. So Google Colab is online ID, or you can say online interpreter for running Python application. Yes, so when you will click on this, you will get a like this, and you have to take either a new notebook and copy and paste the code. If not, you can go to upload and upload notebook extension is ipynb, then open notebook. So we have already done this, so it will look like this, and after that you can start running this project. So you have to run block by block. Like first one, see green tick marks means this project, or sorry, this code is compiled successfully. So now you can say run successfully in simple terms. Now second, pip install NLTK. We are installing NLTK library in this system. So again, next, it will take like first if you will do first time, it will take about 1 minute to run whole this notebook, but if you do like second third time, it will be easy. See here we have used chatbot.txt. See, in machine learning, what is machine learning? Machine learning, making the learned machine, training the machine. And how to do it? We get a data set for it, then we make it or implement algorithm into it, and then we get the desired output result. So here in this left side, you have to click on this and this, and after that you have to upload your data set here. So we have already the upload that is named chatbot.txt. If not, you have to click on this and you have to upload from your local computer, means like a folder where you have kept the data set. After that, when you will upload, it will come like this, and then you have to start running back to back. See, when you will do like this, at last it will come like this, and it will ask you, let me show you again. I will keep hi, then it's no hello notes, and then name. See, it didn't understand. And if I will take like something that I want a help on some medical system, cold air may help child breathing and cough. If you, why it is giving as we have given the data set into it. If I don't want to talk into with this chatbot, then simple by see by take care. So same as that, we have took the another one which is a global warming chatbot. So we will run this. We have to run block by block all those things. So hi, hello there. So hot, see what we get with worst case climate model project, means like what it is getting a data set, it is fetching and it is giving a result. Like earth, suppose it if I give earth, so when the earth emits heat, or like global, so it is giving us result. Prince is the name of chatbot, you can say. If not, then if I take air, see it is giving. If I want to like end this, the like chatting with this application, simple bye, okay, take care, bye. So you see the implementation of this video. If you want code and document of this project, do let me know. If you want any help on development of any project, do let me know that too. And if you like this video, please like this video on YouTube, and please subscribe this channel. I will post every week a new video for students around the world. They can understand many different projects, how to implement it in easy way. And if you need any kind of help, do let me know. Thank you.